story time of how we get her. So, me, mom, me, dad, we go cut wood with axe. Then we go back after cut wood. Well, we collect wood for fireplace. So, we get wood, and then we go back house to cut. We meet the wood right here, swing set right here. So, we go on swing set. Well, mom and dad are cutting wood. So, we go swing set. Me swinging as high as we possibly can. Me arms on front, me get uncomfortable, me let go. Me wanted to move on to back of the ropes, but me don't catch myself. Me fall to the ground and knocked it. The wind knocked on me, and me pass out. Me wake up for a little bit. Me mom, me dad scared because me no wake up. Me mom, me dad thought me dead, but me not dead. Me still here. But me mom, me dad wake me up. Me wake up. Me say, "I'm fine. I can get up." So me try to get up. Me mom say, "No, get up." Me mom think back or neck broken. So me mom, me dad call ambulance. So they get an ambulance and load me on ambulance. They ask me a lot of questions. Me answer the question correctly. So then we get hospital. We spend like all day in hospital. We have neck brace on the whole time. But they just ask me a lot of questions and take MRI and the big donut thing. But turn out nothing wrong with me. And we find me just pass out and knock wind out of me. So we stay in hospital for no reason. And I think